Hey everybody, today how to use findsounds.com. If you're making a project and you need sound effects, I found this to be a really great resource for that, especially for something I can't find. There's a couple sites I use. This is an easy one. So first, it's like a simple, almost like a Google search for sound. It searches for files that are posted online that are MP3s, waves, or AIFs. Yeah, it's the Apple one. So for example, if I wanted to find a explosion, I would just type in explosion and hit enter. And then it will give me a bunch of files that are explosion. Now some of these, depending on where you're at, the website might be blocked, but I'm just going to go ahead and hit the play button. I'll try that one more time. Okay, so this is a pretty good explosion sound. And if I like it, I'm going to listen to the next one. Let's see here. Oh, that one isn't loading for some reason. So go to the next one. Oh, if it gives you a bad website thing, you might want to skip it, and I'll do that frequently. This one, it's AU format, and it's wanting to download. I'm not going to just download it instantly. I'm going to look for files that end in .wav or .mp3. Those are the ones that I know are going to work better with Clipchamp, Movie Maker. There we go. Okay, so I like that sound. So there's 3 dots here, and there's a download button. You can also right-click and save audio as. Whatever you do, when you save your file, make sure that it says save as type, and it's either a WAV or an MP3. And this is something different, but you want to make sure you got WAV or MP3. I'm using Google Chrome, by the way, to download this, but you can do this in any other browser. And I'm going to name it Explosion Big. I'm going to give it a name that I'm going to know, and I'm going to save it wherever I want. If you're my student, you would save it to your H drive, and you could actually make a folder, and that could suggest this to everybody. You could make a new folder and call it sound effects, and then you could save all your own custom sound effects. If you want to get fancy, you can have multiple folders inside there. If you like to organize, you can have explosions and fight sounds and background sounds. Anyway, once you have your file, you can drag that into your video program. Here's something I really like about Find Sounds. I'm going to go back to findsounds.com, and on the front page they have this welcome to Find Sounds, and there's some effects to get started. I like this. Game sounds, sounds of nature, animal sounds, bird sounds, instrument sounds, office-related sounds, TV movie effects. So what this does is, for example, if I put in Scooby-Doo, okay, it's going to say search for Scooby-Doo, and then it's going to have all these different Scooby-Doo. Scooby-Doo's laugh. Awesome. I need that. Okay, so I'm going to download that. Scooby-Doo's laugh. Scooby-Doo laugh. That works. The name is good. It makes sense to me. I'm going to save it. That's a really cool feature. You know, Bugs Bunny. So it gets everything with Bugs Bunny and different sounds. So there you go. That's how you use this site. It's pretty easy to download, and then you need a program like Clipchamp or Movie Maker to drag those sounds in and work with them, or Audacity if you want to create your own custom sounds. So hopefully that is helpful and gets you started doing sound effects.